guys, welcome back to If Only April. Today we have some very special episode, and it is how to make very budget friendly, super easy decorations for Halloween. Because yes, I know Halloween is 2 months away, but you know, time flies so fast these days and you're not even gonna notice when Halloween gonna approach you. So be prepared, don't overspend money this year, and just create awesome decorations on the budget using mostly recycled materials. I'm not gonna lie, I already posted this video last year, and it actually was my first video that I ever created. And because I was such a newbie, I had no idea that I can't use a regular music, so I got a copyright strike.
Ouch!
Oops. But I had one very cool fact that I said back there, so I want to include it to this video too. So listen to this before we're gonna get started. Hi guys, my name is April. I'm so glad that you're here. By the way, did you know that Americans spend about $9 billion on Halloween candy, costumes, and decorations? Isn't it insane, guys? It comes down that average American spends about $90 every year on Halloween. When the Halloween is over, everything's gonna be in the garbage anyway, so what's the point? So here's my ideas of how to decorate your house on the budget using mostly recyclables and things that you already have. So let's do it! I have to say, I absolutely love this little ghost project, and you don't really need anything besides the napkin and some sort of thread that you can make the head with, and then you just draw the eyes and you've got yourself some little spooky ghosts. How adorable are they? I mean, I absolutely love it. You can also make like a garland from those, or like put them on a stick and make them separately coming out from all the different places. This project is so old, but it's so good. I mean, to create those beds from paper, you just need some paper, cardstock, and yeah, just like make a template and cut out the beds out of it. I used the double tape to stick it to the cardstock so it doesn't slide in different directions, so it made it so much easier. And look at this! Aren't they awesome? I feel those beds are so versatile, and they can create like this spooky image anywhere in any room, and can add so much of the Halloween mood to any room. This next project is pretty cool too. I mean, you could use actually the plastic spiders from dollar store, but I didn't want to clutter my house with those little creatures, so I just created mine from the fuzzy sticks, and it was such a great craft to do it with the kids. So Sasha was helping me along the way to make all of them. That's why they look a bit skewed in some places, but then you just glue them on a pumpkin and you create some spooky, weird looking pumpkin that's covered by spiders. You can only guess where they're going. I actually painted all my pumpkins in very weird colors last year, and it was so much fun. But if you want to read more about it, you can go to my blog, and there is an article about how I painted my pumpkins and what I would do different this year. This next craft is super awesome because you can just take one of those threads from dollar store and trace them on the paper to make a silhouette out of it, and then when it's done, when you cut it out, you just put it on the stairs, and in the darkness they look like so creepy, and I have to say I was shook every time I would pass by them. Even my kids get a bit scared of this rat invasion. This project is super awesome, super cheap. I mean, it's practically for free. and this cardboard from the paper towel. Then you drip the hot glue and to create this kind of like a candle wax, kind of this look of the wax coming down the candle. Then you put the regular candle in it. Paint this thing white or like any color you want, and yeah, and just like we're gonna hang it later. The next project is to use the milk jars and like just to cut out the hole in between. So I didn't have milk jars, so we just used the water ones. I had to buy water for them, I have to say. We never buy water like this, but yeah, and look what effect it creates. The next project I call my failed project because I was trying to cut out from the garbage bag this awesome spider webs and it did not go as planned. But if you're more crafty than me, then probably you can try and let me know in the comments if it worked for you or not. Next project, I really love that next project because you can just use these candles from the dollar store. You need a pack of red and a pack of white, and then you just make this bleeding with blood candles. And I used the kombucha bottles, recycled kombucha bottles, to create this like cool labels. And if you want to print out these labels, I have a link on my blog. I'm gonna leave you the link below, and you can make them for myself. I think they would look pretty awesome too on the wine bottles. Maybe I'm gonna do this year. Oh, this was also the project that didn't go exactly as planned. So I took the cheesecloth and I damped it in the cornstarch. So in hopes that it's gonna create like, it's gonna get like sticky and it's gonna create a ghost. But yeah, it did not, I don't think I added enough of starch. So that's why it didn't really work as planned. The next project is, yeah, I think this is one of my favorites. So you just need a couple of garbage bags. And some people like use the bowls, you know, like from styrofoam, but I kind of feel that's a waste of material. So I just used the paper towel and it worked totally fine. You cut out the edge of the garbage bag, you put the ball of the paper towel inside, and then you tie it to create like a little ghost. I use double bags because if I use just one bag and the wind comes, it doesn't look as good because it shows the stick underneath. So double, use the second bag on top of it. And cut it on the sides to create this effect when the wind comes. And after that, we're gonna put the stick inside and draw a face. Look at this little ghost! I mean, how creepy is he? How creepy is it? So then they tie the rope around the stick for it to hold, so it doesn't fly away with the wind. Oh, and you can draw like all the different faces, like a scary one, the one who is wandering, or like the funny one. And look at this magic! I have to say, all neighborhood loved it. It's kind of like a little creepy dance of the ghosts. My daughter was super excited about them too. And as a bonus project, this is the body bag, which is practically just like a big black garbage bag stuffed with the garbage. it looks super creepy. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you're gonna save some money this Halloween and you're gonna make your decorations yourself, which is gonna save you so much money, you're gonna have so much fun, and overall it's gonna be super exciting. If you're new here, please follow me on my Instagram and don't forget to hit that notification bell button and subscribe button too. I mean, just hit them all at once. I'll see you next week. Bye. I hope to be back every Thursday, but with the kids, you know, we'll see how it goes. Bye. Till next time.